Hey guys, welcome back to another drill brought to you by Basement Billiards. Today I got a drill for you that's going to help you work the cue ball up and down the table. It's going to help you use your inside English, which is going to throw the cue ball off of the top and side rail and bring the cue ball up and down the table. And it's also going to help you with getting position on balls, because I see a lot of people who have a shot at one end of the table and are trying to set up on the other rail at the other end of the table, and they either hit the ball way too easy or way too hard and end up not getting shape on that last ball. So in this drill, you're going to be using inside English, which will spin the cue ball off the top rail, throwing it into the side rail, and will spin the cue ball back down to the other end of the table. So as you can see here, you're hitting the same shot almost time and time again, and it's going to get your touch almost right on. So you see how that ball throws off that top rail into the side and comes over to this next shot at the other end of the table. Now that shot I just hit is the only shot that you're not going to want to put English on, and that's because we're switching over to the other half of the balls. So starting here, you're using the other side of the cue ball, but you're still putting inside English on it and bringing it over to the opposite end of the table. And same goes there. So for this drill, you want to make sure that you're following through straight. You want to make sure your stick is very close to parallel to the ground to prevent you from miscuing, and you want to just have a smooth stroke. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope that it helps your game. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more like it, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.